Hey, check this out. $100 wine voucher. Did you get one of these little wine vouchers with your Action 2 purchase? Yes. Too bad I live in Utah and you can't ship wine here. Hey, this is Dad Random, and I have got some fun for you. You know, it's been a little bit of time since we've had anything fun or new, and you know what happened? New just showed up, and I think you know what I'm talking about. This is the Action 2, and all the fun goodies that go along with the Action 2. So without further ado, I'm going to get my friend out, who's in the Swiss Army, and he's going to help us unbox this sucker. All right, first impressions. Here we go. Dad Random and Action 2. All right, here we go. DJI. It's about time. Hey, this is Dad Random. Let's get to it. Let's open this sucker, because you know we got some filming to do. And it ain't gonna be too long before you're gonna see some new footage of me and Steve over there. Man, he's already whining. Here we go. Dad Random, Action 2, unboxing. Yes. SanDisk Extreme Plus, ready to go. Ulanzi extended tripod. All right, so we're going with aftermarket. Stuff in a bag that was outside the box, have no idea. And here it is, Action 2. Let's get to it. All right, Steve. Uh-oh. FedEx. He's on time. There it is, Action 2 with extra screen. All right. So now, all right, the reason why we went for, all right, we gotta wait for UPS to go by. It's about freaking time. All right, we'll put you on hold, let UPS go by. That's what I got to deal with. That's right, let's check out what's in the box, okay? Remember, I got the Ulanzi. This is an extension pole, so I'll get the same extension, just like, that's what she said, just like you get with the DJI version. 128 gig class, this is the A2 U3 card right there, high speed. And looks like a, whatever, that's just a camera gizmo. Let's get ahead and let's open this up, see what's up. So here we go, man. Been a while, guys. It's been over 2 years since I unboxed a camera, and I was so looking forward to a camera purchase. So this came at the right time. Hey, what's that bird over there? Freaking making all kinds of noise. Go ahead and we'll get this out of here, just like that. Alrighty. Hey, just like you'd think, great box, like I said, nicely, tightly packed. You know, you've seen the box freaking videos. Right? So here it is right there. There's our code right there, and you know, visual instructions. But pretty interesting. Now, you know, what do I? Whoa, man. Okay, this is my first surprise right now. First of all, I don't know why this guy that's flying this airplane decided to fly this low and to be this close to my house. That's just pissing me off. But one of the things I'm going to tell you right now that's a super big surprise, I have never seen one of these before, is these things are tiny. That is tiny. That is much smaller. It's weighty and very tiny. That's right away, first impression. So this right here is my, this looks like a, I don't even know what it is. This is a screen module right here. So that's the screen module. And this is the camera module. So if you hold both of them up and you put them next to something, you know, like, you know, this knife blade is probably 4 inches. So it is pretty small, much smaller than I thought. That's like I said right away, that's first impression for sure. There of course is, yeah, I mean, it looks so big. I don't know if everybody that reviews these things have such small hands or what, but this thing definitely is much smaller than I thought. Yeah, let's go ahead and take these wrappers off here. So this is the extra screen, the screen module. And let's go ahead, let's get that. Oh man, ooh, she just clicks right together. That's pretty cool. Go on, take that off right there. Ooh, look at that little green lights on there. I didn't tell it to turn on. It's gonna say hi to me. Yeah, look at that, little green lights going on there. So pretty cool. And it looks like we got a button here. I have no idea what that button's for. There's your SD card slot right there. I'm noticing for the first time. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this off right here. Oh, there we go. Keep all that. You know, I'm gonna keep this camera forever. But there it is right here. Let's see if she'll turn on. Go ahead and just, obviously there's some things I have to do to register. Nothing going on yet, but I guess we'll have to figure some things out because it's not doing anything. It's charging. That's probably what the light was. It was like, hey, I'm charging you right now. See what happens. I did the double press. Nothing going on. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Like, oh, look, she came to life. That was pretty cool. So I have no idea what I'm doing. It says connect. And that's what I just did. So she must be charging herself up. So, all right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna look at some instructions. But first impression, tiny, little tiny thing, little baby. Look how little this thing is. Later, dead random. Be back and give you some more impressions on some other things that I see once I get this puppy rolling. But dead random, DJI ACTION 2. And that's weird. That's all I can tell you. Man. Weird. Well, as you can see, that video was an absolute disaster. The DJI ACTION 2, very disappointed. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting this project behind. I'm going to wait a little while before I repurchase it, but I did return the DJI ACTION 2 back to Best Buy where I bought it. And I'm going to give it another shot at another time. But right now, just not happy, very disappointed. Not even being able to work with a functioning camera. I just returned it. So there you go. I got a chance to hold it. I know what it's about. Now It's just about spending a little bit of time, hopefully some firmware upgrades, maybe popping in and grabbing a little bit of some Mavic 3 action here pretty soon. But right now, with no Mavic 3 software completed, so I don't know what to do. DJI is kind of incomplete right now. But for Dad Random, thanks for watching. I'm sorry, I couldn't use it. So unusable. The DJI No Action 2. All right, we'll give it another shot another time. And we're going to keep the Pocket 2 and later. Bye.